Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a flower. Let's start. First, draw an overhead. And then, on that overhead, draw a longer line. And then draw an apple. Then draw 2 leaves. And draw a circle. And then draw 2 lines. And then connect those. Draw more lines. I bet you keep on going until there's enough. And draw a line from here. And draw a line and then another line. Then a swirly line. And draw a line like that. And draw here to here. And on here, draw a swirly line. That's one. And from here, draw an edge. And then draw a swirly line. And then from here, draw a wave. And then draw a curve. Then draw here a line. And then a wavy connect. And then from here, draw another wavy connect. And then draw lines. And draw here a stem. And then draw a swirly line. We're done, I think. Now the pattern. And then in here, draw a line. All done. Now time to color. I'm done. Now orange. We're almost done coloring the petals. Now we're done. Now let's start with our brown. Now our green. We are done coloring. Thank you for watching. Bye.